Welcome to TechSolve. Today's video tutorial will walk you through on how to increase font size in Google Chrome tab. Open up your Chrome browser. You click on the three dots at the top right of the screen to open the menu. Now, we click on Settings. On the left hand side of the screen, click on Appearance. Click on the small arrow beside the font size. Now you can change the font size to your desired choice. But since we're going for the increments, you can either make it large or very large. So let's choose the large option. You can also choose to customize the fonts by clicking on Customize Fonts. Then you increase the font size as you can see as you want. So that's it, guys. You have successfully increased the font size on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next video.